Not being afraid to be open and meet new people, talk to your professors. Don't be afraid to be embarrassed. Don't be shy. The best way to move forward and make progress here is to get to know people.
The advice that I would give to a first-year student is just be open to new experiences, be open to trying new things, and just enjoy your time during Sprog Day.
Not be afraid to look for advice, whether if it's within the class or within what you're wanting to study. Your advisors are great for that. They are literally like your parents here, and they will walk you through everything. Other than that, also just don't procrastinate.
To say yes to things, especially new things, even if it's something small, just like going out to dinner with some people from your hall. Just say yes to new things and experience new things.
I would tell them to not only study hard, but at the same time have fun with what you're doing. It's always great to socialize and be active in the Southwestern community.
You don't have to have your mind made up yet. You have time and you'll figure things out as you go.
To get homework out of the way early, like work on time management. That's like really important. And
the advice that I would give is try not to spread yourself too thin. It's really good to get involved because it's one of the biggest things that you'll love about being in college. But you just need to remember to manage your time and just remember that you can't do everything.
So don't wait till the night before test to study, but be studying a couple days before or the week of for that test.
Manage your time and make sure you have a student planner because that will help you a long way.
To know your professors very well. There's a lot of opportunities to do research, and also do not test out of Spanish if you know Spanish.
Take advantage of your 4 years here. There are so many amazing things you can do on campus and so many ways you can get involved and be a leader. And I would just advise to really take advantage of that because the Southwestern experience is it's a very one-of-a-kind thing, so you just gotta go with it.
You just try everything and don't be afraid to meet new people. Everyone here is new, so don't be afraid to do that.
Don't procrastinate. I had to learn that the hard way.
Be open when you get here, talk to as many people as you can, introduce yourself to everyone, and try and make as many friends as possible.
Just eat healthy, maintain your body, like play sports if you can. Pretty much just make sure you keep your hygiene up. Go to class, don't ever skip. Skipping class just does not help you at all.
Definitely put everything in your calendar. That includes anything on the syllabus, any tests, anything like that.
Is that work is important, but so is sleep. So try to figure out your schedule. Schoolwork always comes first, but you need to take care of your health as well, or else you won't be able to do anything.
My advice for a first-year student is to take everything slow. Don't worry about picking a major, you'll figure it out. Everything comes to you, and if you decide to change your major, that's fine, everyone does.
Learn how to manage your time well between, studying and a social life, and if you play sports, that's just another added challenge that you need to keep in mind.
Go to the Commons on Fridays because just talking with Miss Ella every Friday is like the biggest boost you can get, and it just like ends your week really well.
Join as many organizations like within the first part of your first semester, just so like you can get your face out there and meet some people, and then choose like your top 2 or top 3, and then stick with them and get involved because you'll learn skills beyond what the knowledge you'll learn in the classroom in organizations. It's gonna be very helpful.
Don't be afraid to ask questions in class because it shows your professor that you're 1, paying attention, 2, you're interested, and it helps build relationships with them.
Really come in and get involved, do your first couple weeks on campus. I know people that really those first couple weeks are where you're gonna meet a lot of people and you're gonna really find the places that you're gonna wanna be here. And that score is going to be easiest during those first couple weeks. So just definitely come in, get involved, get out, and don't just stay in your room.
Use a planner because they really come in handy, surprisingly.
On top of your studies, make sure you do your homework and all your studying early. That way you can have fun on the weekends, hang out with friends, and like go to Blue Hole, stuff like that.
Do not wait till the last minute to do a project.
Appreciate the moments and don't take the little things for granted. So the things you do in the classroom are great, but the things outside the classroom that make up your Southwestern experience are really special. And it's the little gaps in your schedules that make you who you are and allow you to meet your lifelong friends. So just enjoy those and cherish them. Don't take them for granted.